Yo. What's up? It's your boy Fishing with Gil 519. And let's go fishing. I'm not going to that spot. I'm gonna go try out the Puyallup River and see how it is. I heard that it was fire yesterday. People were catching kings and all that stuff, but I'm gonna go check it out and see if that spot's open. Cause if it's not, that's the only place. I don't like to go to the soccer field because you have to cross over the road and shit, and a lot of cars pass by. Crazy ass drivers, and it's always packed. Always packed there too. But I'm gonna go try out another spot and see if it's open. But it's already 10:12. You know, if it's not open over there where I'm going, I'll go back to that place where I always go in the ocean. But let's go. I'll meet you guys over there if you guys are fishing over there.
Ela me envolve, e se eu na dela mata mais que mil revólver. Tá querendo guerra, eu tô.
Man, check out the water. It is dirty, like chocolate milk. People are fishing under the bridge, but it's closed. I don't know. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to get another ticket like last time. 2 years ago, I got a ticket of $200 fishing on the Puyallup when it was closing. But there's people fishing right here, and it says it's closed. I don't know. I don't want to risk it. Get another ticket. See, there's people fishing right here, but I don't think it's open. Everybody right here. This is a soccer field. Soccer field on the other side though. Look at everybody though. That's shoulder to shoulder. Tango to tango, I mean. But I'm not going on the other side. I don't got no waiters. A lot of people though. I'm gonna try to find something to fish more down here. If not, then I'm gonna go to the ocean where I always go. The point. Alright, I guess. Oh man, there's somebody fishing right there. But let's see how it is. Let's see how it is, my boys. If there's any room for me, I don't want to get another ticket. Can't bring my Hummer over here. I don't know if that fool's trying to snag or what. I guess I have to go find another spot. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna fish right there. There's like a trail right here, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna bring the fish. I gotta walk through here and walk there, and I don't know how it's gonna be a drop off or what, but let's try it. Alright, I'm gonna set up all my to fish the Puyallup. This is how I did it. You can see it from right here. I got a 3-way swivel with a little weight, and then this is long, all the way long. So to make sure that you have it long, just make a line, grab the tip from your line to the other side like that, and have it like that. And don't forget to pinch your barbs, because right here they will give you a ticket. And the only way you pinch your bars when you go like that, you don't feel nothing. So that's how I do it. With that, and then just go like that. As long as you can, as long as you have it long. And then I have a black cork. And there you go again. Look at, boom, baby. That's why I have it. But I didn't have no scissors. I forgot to bring some, so I gotta leave them like that. And then I get my pole and my reel. So I'll see you guys out there. Thorns. Ouch. But let's see how it is over here. Oh no. No, 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 no. No. It's a big old drop off. Oh man. No, it's ugly. I'm up here, so I gotta cast upriver and let it drift. So the water's coming this way. So you gotta throw it up and let it drift down. And then you'll feel your weight go like this, going down the river, and then when it gets stuck, that's when I pull it, because I know it's a fish, because the fish is gonna go, it's coming back up, and the weight is this way and the fish is up here. Wait, the weight's down here and your corky will be down here, and the fish will go up and he'll see it. So when I feel my bobber going like that, like going down the stream, and it stops, then I yank it, because sometimes it could be a fish. Because the fish is going upstream, and then your corky's way down there, and your bobber's on top of the head, more up, bouncing. And then when the fish is trying to go upstream, your bobber's already behind the fish. I mean the bobber. The weight's already behind the bobber. I mean bobber. What the heck am I saying bobber? So your weight is going behind the fish. The fish is going upstream. Your hook's on top of it, already on his mouth. So he's going up, and your bobber gets stuck. And then that's when I pull it. And that's when I know it's a fish. So that's why I've been doing it at the Green River and all the time. Fishing over here. Oh man, it got tangled. But yeah. So I throw it down, let the bobber go like that. When I feel it stuck, then I yank it, because it could be a fish. See, like right now it got stuck. Oh, I had a bite right now. Oh, I felt the fish go like that. See, right now my bobber got stuck. I am my bobber. My weight. So when I don't know if I do catch a fish, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Am I gonna pull it up, try to bring them up? I'm gonna have to yank them up. But yep, that's how it is, boys. Let's go. Right now I felt it. See, right now I got stuck, but right now, earlier when I threw it, it went like that. Didn't. I think the fish hit the line though. But people are fishing at the bridge, and I seen this guy I posted up on fishing in Puyallup River, and someone sent me a picture saying that it's closed right there. So I don't know. Those people are gonna get tickets. He just told me go a little bit more downstream, so that's where I'm at. I seen people, so that's where I'm at, downstream. But this water is dark, like chocolate dark. Chocolate dark. Look at you. My thumbnail. All right, there we go. Man, I can't get fishing right here because I was getting stuck on these trees, and after yanking, I'm afraid I'll break my pole. But it's a big old step. But let's see. I see a couple of fish jumping. But let's go. I'm going down there. See if we catch one here. I keep seeing fishes jumping on the other side though, but I can't reach over there. I could barely hit probably like 30 feet. Because the bushes behind me, I get tangled. Yeah, probably like 30, 20 feet. Like 30 feet. Ah, I got like a thorn in my foot. But I have to throw it upstream though. I have to throw it way over there so it could get drift and shit, stuff like that. I can't throw it in the middle. I have to throw it that way. So the weight could go like that down. And see if the fish can see it. But man, if I catch me a king, I'm not even gonna reel it up right here. It's gonna be hard. See, I keep throwing it in the middle. I have to throw it on the side. I mean, way up there, so the weight can come back down. I let it drift all the way to there, to the bush, and I bring it up. Oh, come on. And then when the Green River's open, oh man, I'm going to that spot where I go fishing. You can see them all right there. Come on, fishes. Oh, I had one. No, I had one, you guys. Man, he got off. No, I guess I need to throw a little bit more fire and then let it reach all the way to over there. I had one. I feel my weight move, and when I stop, I pull it. Man, there's a lot of bugs here. Oh, is that a fish? I had one. I'll get back at ya when I get one. Gotta come back. I snapped my line 3 times already. I snapped my line 3 times. I always get snagged on that tree that's right there in the corner. I throw it out there and let my line like that, and it gets stuck on that tree. And it's hard to take out because I have that braided line. So I'm gonna go find another place that doesn't have a tree. So I have to fix my line again. I have to fix my line. I gotta fix my line. Oh no, it got wrapped up. Not again. 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. There you go. Now we just gotta clip it. I seen a lot of fish, but they're on the other side of the river. Alright. Nowhere to fish, man. I went all the way upstream and no fishes. I guess this is the only place I have to come back again and fish. Man, I went through all kinds of piles of dirt and all that, but still can't fish. So I came back over here. I hope I don't get stuck over there. I got it stuck 3 times right there already. And I don't want to go to the soccer field because you can pass right there and you can see a bunch of people. And I don't have no waiters. So I'll just fish here. See if I get my luck. I can't throw it upstream because all the bushes behind me. I have to cast it in the middle. I don't like it in the middle. I like to cast it over there and let it drift down. Look at that fish just jumped right there. I'll probably get my luck right here though. I just gotta watch out I don't let my line go under that branch over there. Come on, Fifis. They're jumping already on downstream, but I can't go over there. This is the only spot I can see clean. So this time I'm using like a rainbow one. Silver and black quirky. Let me see if I can throw it upstream. It's alright. I want to throw it more that way. I drove all the way over there, nothing, but I got the car dirty because I went to the trails of the dust. But I couldn't find no fish in the park. I mean, to go fishing. A lot of people are on the other side though. And I don't want to fish on the dock, on the bridge, because there's people fishing there, but I don't want to take the chance. Get another ticket. I don't know if this is a fish or what. Oh, what the heck? My line's up. My line was going up. What the heck? I can't even throw it that good because all these right here behind me. I just let it drift until the weight doesn't move, then I yank it. But I think I have a big weight. It's not even moving. Yeah, it's not moving. Current's not even powerful here. I'll get back at you when I get one. I'm getting nothing no more. I only had one, that's it, but it's ugly, so I'm probably just going to go over there to the ocean, to that place. I was gonna name it again, but I'll probably just go over there and see how it is over there. Ain't no fish. I'm gonna catch it like 5 times and then I'm gonna head out to the ocean. This is gonna be 2 videos. One fishing at the payullup and one at the other place. See if I get any luck over there. Where's my line at? Oh. Come on, fishes! I want to catch you. Come in my hook. It's kind of boring when you're by yourself, though. But it's kind of fun because you're like chilling. But it's kind of boring that you don't get no fish. I only had one, but damn it, it came off. I feel like I took it out of his mouth. But come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Like they say, come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, that's not a fish. Come on, man. And it's already like 12:30. And then tomorrow I'll go to Yakima right in the morning. And I only got like one fish for my dad. Oh, man. Only one fish for my dad, man. Come on. I need at least get like two. Heck with this, boy. I'm going to that place over there. One more cast and I'm leaving. One more cast and I'm leaving. Alright, I'm gonna have two videos today. One at the payullup and one at the ocean. The Puget Sound. Come on, fishes. Come on, fishes. Nope. Let's go, boys. Let's go to the Puget Sound, man. I ain't catch nothing over here. So, thanks for watching. Keep on fishing. Never stop. You know it, buddies. But anyways, let's go to the other place.